Hi, welcome to this video where we'll discuss how to create websites that work across all devices with responsive web design. With the proliferation of mobile devices, it's become essential to make sure that websites are accessible and usable on different screen sizes. In this video, we'll explore the core concepts of responsive web design and how you can apply them to your projects. What is responsive web design? Responsive web design is an approach to web development that aims to create websites that can adapt to any screen size. Rather than designing a separate website for each device type, responsive design allows developers to create one website that can adjust to different screens, ensuring a consistent user experience across all devices. Fluid grids. One of the key concepts of responsive web design is the use of fluid grids. A fluid grid is a flexible layout system that allows web developers to create a layout that adapts to different screen sizes. Instead of specifying fixed pixel widths, fluid grids use percentages or proportions to define the layout. This way, the layout adjusts automatically as the screen size changes. Flexible images. Another important aspect of responsive web design is flexible images. When designing a website, it's essential to make sure that images look good and load quickly on all devices. One way to achieve this is by making images flexible so that they can adjust to the screen size. This can be done by setting the width of images to a percentage of the screen size or by using CSS to set maximum and minimum dimensions for images. Media queries. To ensure that websites look good on all devices, responsive web designers use media queries. Media queries are CSS rules that allow web developers to specify different styles for different screen sizes. By using media queries, web designers can adjust the layout, font size, and other design elements to ensure that the website looks great on any device. Best practices. When designing responsive websites, there are a few best practices that you should keep in mind. First, it's essential to design with mobile devices in mind. This means that you should focus on the most critical content and make sure that it's easily accessible on small screens. Second, you should test your website on different devices to make sure that it looks good and works correctly. Finally, you should optimize images and other media to ensure fast load times on mobile devices. In conclusion, responsive web design is an essential skill for web developers in today's mobile-driven world. By using fluid grids, flexible images, media queries, and best practices, you can create websites that look great and work well on any device. So, if you're a web developer or designer, make sure to learn responsive web design and apply it to your projects. Your users will thank you for it.